Good day everyone, I am Gabriel Argandin from VSIT 1D, and today I will present my case study about a real-world data communication and networking system, which is mobile scanning application CamScanner. The main purpose of this case study is to explain how data communication concepts, networking models, and protocols are applied in a real-life situation using this application. CamScanner is a mobile application that turns a smartphone into a portable scanner. Instead of using traditional scanner machine, user can take a picture of a document and convert it into a digital file like PDF. I choose this application because it's commonly used by students, including us, especially when submitting a documents online. And now, let's go to the application description. In my scenario, an athlete is required to submit a printed PSA birth certificate to the coach. Instead of going to the computer shop, the athlete uses a cam scanner on his smartphone. Here's what happened. First, the athlete takes a photo of the document. Second, the app automatically enhances the image and convert it into the PDF file. Third, the athlete sends the file through email or messaging app using Wi-Fi or mobile data. The users involved are the athlete, who is the sender, and the coach, which is the receiver. The type of the data being transmitted is a scanned PDF documents. This is originally a physical document that becomes digitally data for transmission. This simple action actually involves multiple networking processes happening in the background. And now, let's go to the data communication mode. Now, let us discuss how the data communication is applied in this application. Data communication is the process of the transferring digital data from one device to another through transmission medium. In this case, the smartphone is the sender, the PDF file is the message, the internet is the transmission medium, and the couch device is the receiver. If the athlete is connected to school or home Wi-Fi, it is used a local area network or LAN. If the data travels across different locations through the internet, it becomes part of the wide area network or WAN. Without networking, the athlete would need to physical hand the document to the coach. But because of data communication, the file can be transmitted instantly even if they are far apart. This shows how networking improves efficiency and communication. And now, let's talk about the protocols that are used and their functions. Several protocols are involved in sending the scanned documents. First is the TCP or Transmission Control Protocol. TCP ensures that the data is delivered completely and in the correct order. It divides the file into smaller segments and checks if all parts arrive correctly. Second is IP or Internet Protocols. IP is responsible for identifying the destination address. It ensures that the data reaches the correct device. Third is HTTP or HTTPS. This protocol is used when uploading or downloading files. HTTPS is especially important because it encrypts the data, protecting personal information. If the file is sent through the email, SMTP or Simple Mail Transfer Protocol is used to send the attachment. These protocols are work together to ensure reliable, accurate, and secure transmission of data. Now, let's talk about the OSI model and layers that are involved. I will explain the role and purpose of the OSI model layers involved in this scenario. The OSI model helps us understand how data moves from one device to another through 7 layers. Number 1. Application layer. This is where CamScanner operates. The athlete interacts with the app to scan and send documents. Number 2. Presentation layer. This layer converts the scanned image into PDF format and may also handle encryption. Number 3. Session layer. This layer manages to connect between the sender and receiver. And number 4. Transport layer. This is where the TCP operates. It ensures reliable data delivery. Number 5. Network layer. This layer uses IP addresses to determine the correct destination. Number 6. The data link layer. It handles communication within the local network, such as connecting to Wi-Fi. Physical layer. This layer transmits raw bits or signal through wireless media like Wi-Fi or mobile data. Each layer has a specific function, and together they ensure successful communication. And now, this part I will explain the data transmission process step by step. Step 1. The athlete scan the document using ComScanner. This happens at the application layer. Step 2. The image is converted into PDF format at the presentation layer. Step 3. This file is divided into smaller segments by TCP at the transport layer. Step 4. IP assign the destination address at the network layer. Step 5. The data is transmitted wirelessly through Wi-Fi or mobile data at the physical layer. Step 6. The coach device receives the packets. Step 7. TCP reassemble the segment in the correct order. Step 8. The coach opens and views the PDF file in the application. This entire process only takes a few seconds, but involved multiple networking layers and protocol working together. In conclusion, this case study shows that the ComScanner is not just a simple mobile app. It is a real-world example of data communication and networking concept in action. The scenario demonstrates that how digital data is transmitted, how TCP, IP, HTTP, and SMTP functions, how the OSI model layer work together, how wirelessly transmission media like Wi-Fi enable communication. This example proves that networking plays a very important role in academic and professional document submission. Thank you for listening. That concludes my presentation. Thank you.